Today is Saturday afternoon, the 19th of June, 2021, and we're going to go a tour of the new Punta Galeras. Samaná is about 30 minutes, and an additional 30 minutes to get to the new Samaná El Cate International Airport. Again, they've already got some bus stop, parada stops for the buses that are going to come through here, and they've got roads that are cut off, intersecting with this major road that are going to lead into different communities. You can see we have the sign here, Punta Galeras to the left, so we're going to head over in that direction. On this same road and right next door to the new Punta Galeras is the Grand Paradise Samaná Beach Resort. Here we have the entrance to the Grand Paradise Samaná Beach Resort, and we're going to be making a left-hand turn here to go over to the Punta Galeras. Okay, we're now at the east entry to Punta Galeras. They've got a security checkpoint, and they've got a sign here showing the new apartamentos that are going to be constructed. We've actually made a right-hand turn into one of the access roads. This area here is going to be more of a residential area with private villas. We're coming into the area where they have a temporary sales office set up. As we come over here to the new development, you can see that we've got parking areas are in, the roads are in, water and sewer is in, and all the street lighting basics are in. We're coming up to an area which is going to be the main entry gate for this section of the community. And we're going to take a look at the Villas Amapola currently under construction. Let's take a moment to see where we have been. The arrows in the upper right-hand corner show us how we got to Punta Galeras. We made the roundabout by the Grand Paradise Samaná entrance and then continued into Punta Galeras. We then made a right turn going into future residential areas and made a left turn as we headed into some of the existing villas. We continued straight for a while with the beachfront to our right, and then we made two left turns to arrive at the construction site for the Villas Amapola. This is kind of a bird's eye view of what the Villas Amapola will look like as viewed from the entry side or non-swimming pool side of the condominiums. As you can see from the entry side of the building, each villa will have its own private garden and parking for 2 cars. The backyard of every Villa Amapola will have private gardens and an optional swimming pool. I have just crossed the road and the Villas Amapola are directly behind me. This will be an ocean view of Building A of the condominiums. For future reference, the Palapa down by the beach is the beach restaurant, and we'll check that out later. I'm now going to pan over to the left to show you the location of Building B. For reference, let's take a look at the rendering for Buildings A, B, and C. As I said, I'm standing at Building A. Building B will be to the left, and across the swimming pool to the right will be Building C. I have just crossed what will be the swimming pool for Buildings A, B, and C, and now standing on the location of Building C, looking toward the beachfront. It is true that Building C will be closest to the beach, but again, this view will be out the entry or back side of the building. Building A, although slightly farther from the beach, it will have beachfront ocean views off the living area and terrace side of the building. Although the beach restaurant is very close to Villas Amapola and the condominiums, I decided to drive my car. There is ample parking, and it will be available for all residents in the Punta Galeras Beachfront Community. In addition to the beach club, which will be adjacent to the hotel, is this beachfront restaurant that's just being finished as we speak. As I said, there will be plenty of parking in this area, so walking to the restaurant or driving to the restaurant is your choice. Yeah, I can certainly see having a pina colada here. Nice bar. Sure, there'll be some bar stools. This will be a restaurant, I'm sure, and cocktails. looking at the beach. We're going to walk around over here, and I'm assuming it's more tables for seating. I am now on the walkway by the beach behind me. And over there are the Villas Amapola. And I would say about where those trees are is where buildings A, B, and C are going to be of the condominiums. And again, the second way to get to the city, and I'm not sure you can see those kind of boats and things there. That's a 5-minute walk to the center of Las Galeras, the city. So this location is unbelievable. And as you can see here, the beach is that perfect aqua blue water, white sand. And it's a little hazy today, but the mountains in the background are beautiful. It'd be great for sunsets. And it's family safe. You can walk out for quite a distance and still be waist deep and enjoy the area. As you can see, there's a local boat for sale. It'll go to the highest bidder. As you can see from this pristine area, it is still in its natural and local state. As we have seen, they have started construction on the Villas Amapola, and the beach restaurant is nearly complete. The next step is up to you. Punta Galeras is ready to start building condominiums A, B, and C whenever you are ready to start the process.